Hello everyone, my name is Victor, and for a long time I struggled with the problem of cooperation between programs of the Adobe family, particularly in Premiere Pro and After Effects. The problem manifested itself in two ways. The first, when I tried to import a video from Premiere Pro into After Effects, I got an error: After Effects must be installed, which you can see now on the screen. The second, when I used effects which are difficult to calculate in After Effects, for example 3D camera tracker or warp stabilizer, it returned an error: couldn't launch Adobe Analysis Server. During the year I searched for a solution to this problem, tried a bunch of methods, reinstalled programs, watched tutorials on YouTube, but all of them didn't help me. As a result, the solution turned out to be quite simple and moreover solved both problems at once. So we go to the control panel, select the programs category and select delete program. Enter RelevantKnowledge in the search bar and just delete this program. After removal, be sure to restart the computer, and after this everything will work. Now you can see that everything is working. I'm putting 3D camera tracker on this video and it is working. Thank you for watching. If the solution helped you, I'll be grateful for the like and subscription. Have a nice day!